What sets Planfix apart from other services is its ability to provide employees with flexible access to their data. Tasks. A task is the most essential tool for working in Planfix. To collaborate on a task, you need to provide other employees with access to it. To do this, add the required employee to the role of assigner, auditor, assignee, or participant in the task. You can provide access to an employee when creating a task. You can provide access to tasks via bulk actions. Objects. Each task is created based on an object. To provide or restrict access to the creation of tasks based on an object, configure the permissions. To do this, go to Account Management, Objects, select Object, View Form, Permissions. Click on Manage Access to Object Usage to open the Settings window. On the same tab, you can also control employees' permissions to edit the object's fields. You can control access to data at the object level. In the object form, you can completely restrict or selectively provide access to view and edit custom fields. Templates. Task templates can be created based on objects. Their purpose is to speed up and simplify work tasks. You can preset the necessary data in template fields to create tasks with pre-filled data. For example, you may already know the assigners, assignees, deadlines, and auditors in advance. To configure access to templates, open the desired template. Permissions. Click on Manage Access to Template Usage to open the Settings window. In the Permissions tab, you can also configure access for those who can edit the template. Please note that access to the template fields is configured based on the object tied to the template. Filters. Over time, tasks accumulate in Planfix. One of the simplest ways to navigate them is by using filters. You can share custom filters by providing access to them. Specify the employees. Projects. Projects are another way of organizing tasks. By default, every employee can see all projects in their account. However, within the projects, employees only see the tasks to which they have access. The employee's view of the project. Account owner's view of the project. You can partially restrict employees' access to project data using custom fields. Go to the project template and open the necessary field for editing. Edit and save the access settings. If necessary, you can hide the project from employees and customers. Activate the project as hidden setting when creating a project or edit a project that has already been created. A hidden project is visible only to the employees and customers who have access to its tasks. Contacts. Communication with customers is an important part of working on tasks. Therefore, customers often become contacts in Planfix. To restrict access to customer data, open their card and go to Permissions. Restrict access to selected employees or groups. You can manage access in bulk. Select the desired contacts, go to the menu, and choose Access. Specify the parameters that need to be changed. If you need to partially restrict access to contact data, do so using custom fields. Open the contact template, select the desired field, and open it for editing. Change the access settings and save them. Fields. Another method for configuring fields and their access can be found in Account Management, Custom Fields. To edit the settings, select the desired set, field, permissions. Planner. Another way to organize tasks in Planfix is to use the planner. You can share your custom planner with other employees. To do this, open the Planner menu on the left sidebar and set up access. Alternatively, you can also open the menu by clicking on the planner's name and going to Configure Access. Important: only tasks available to the employee are displayed in the planner. Directories. Directories serve as a multi-purpose tool for collecting and using all types of information. Access to directories can be customized very flexibly. Open the desired directory and select the Permissions tab. You can provide access to the directory to both user groups and individual employees. You can configure individual access for each employee or group. Access to adding, viewing, editing, or deleting new directory entries can be customized separately. The same method is used to configure access to existing directory entries. You can hide already created columns from individual employees or teams using the light bulb icon. Use the filter to quickly navigate access settings. These are the general settings for the directory, but but you can also configure access for individual directory entries. Open the Directory entry, Permissions. In this tab, you'll find the main settings. To access the detailed menu, click on Manage. Here, you can specify who can do what with the directory entry. Data tags. Businesses can't operate without collecting data on sales, hours worked, calls, and more. In Planfix, data accumulation is done through data tags. Access to them can also be configured. Open the necessary data tag. Permissions. Manage. Specify who can add or view data tags in tasks. Another way to control access to data tags is by restricting the addition, editing, and deletion of data tags in specific task statuses. Reports. Reports are the simplest way to analyze data collected in Planfix. By default, reports are only accessible to their authors. To provide access to reports to other users, open the desired report for editing and select the Permissions tab. You can configure access to view a saved report. Run the report, open the menu, Permissions. Specify the necessary access settings for the report version. Different access levels can be configured for different report versions. Open the required report version. Access settings. Specify the required permissions. Documents. Document workflow is an essential part of every business process. It's crucial to restrict access to documents. To set up access, select the document. Menu. Access. Change the access settings for the file. Another option, open the desired document. Permissions. Make changes to access the file. Access to document templates is configured similarly. Workspaces. One of the most reliable ways to configure access rights is through workspace settings. Secure data by only allowing the necessary sections in the employee's workspace. Configure the display of the buttons. Allow access to the workspace only for the employees who will be working in it. Important, check the access rights to all workspace elements before granting employees access. Otherwise, they will not see the necessary information. In conclusion, one of the most important advantages that Planfix offers is its ability to flexibly manage access rights for employees and other users. Take advantage of Planfix's capabilities to make your work convenient and secure.